Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be, I'm trying to calm down. I just got back from vacation and it has just been a whirlwind of things going on, just trying to get back into my regular routine. So today I will be reviewing the Proceed with Caution Collection 2 by MakeupShayla and ColorPop. Now, the thing is, right, I know I'm a little late, okay, just don't worry about that. The day, when I ordered it, when it came in, I had already left for London and I was gone for 2 weeks, so it had to sit. I just got back last week and now I'm trying to catch up on all of my recording. But today we are going to be doing a look exclusively with the Shayla and ColorPop collection. I am so excited. You guys know Shayla is one of my favorite makeup influencers, and I support everything that she comes out with. Her first Tarte collection, I have that. Her Maybelline collection, I have that. I have her ColorPop collection, and now this is the second one. So I'm excited. I got the full kit, and we are gonna go through this today, boo boo. We're gonna see what she's working with. I love her Perception palette. I travel with that all the time. Every time I go out of town, that is my go-to palette. I don't know. I'm trying to think about what I'm gonna do, but I guess we'll decide that as we go along. But that's enough talking. Let's get into this look.
Alright guys, so starting with my Dior foundation. You guys know I love this foundation. I am blending this all over the skin, and then I am going to go in with NARS. You guys know I've been feeling NARS for a while. NARS has been bae. So I'm going in with Sucre d'Orge and the color Biscuit, and I'm mixing the two. Those have been my go-to for the past several months, and I'm just loving it. I'm gonna set it with some setting spray, and I'm going to blend it with my Real Techniques setting brush. And of course I'm going in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Truffle to contour. I mean, this has been my staple this has been my staple routine for a few minutes now, like say a few minutes for a few months now. I set this look with the Ben Nye banana powder. I've been reaching for that lately and I haven't been enjoying it. But yeah, so enjoy this look, guys. You guys know the routine, and I'll be back when it's time for the eyeshadow. Alright, now it is time to proceed with caution. Palette's pretty dope, right? Not bad. So going in with the color Maintenance, I am going to blend this. This is like I don't even know how to describe this color. Like maybe like a brick reddish type of color. Like a deep burgundy brick red. So I'm blending that in, going in, I'm actually mixing that with the color Culture, and I'm blending those two colors together. There we go. Going in with Culture, making sure that's nice and blended. And then I'm gonna follow up with the color Gloves On. I'm gonna smoke out the outer corner. These are some really dope colors though. So I'm just gonna smoke that out, and then I'm gonna cut my crease. So I am cutting my crease. I think this is with the I think this is rumor number 4 by P. Louise. As I'm just cutting half of it, and I'm gonna blend the gloves on color into that and just kind of set it. It's not gonna be like divine cut crease. So then I'm going in with the color Drill. So I'm adding Drill right next to gloves on, and then I'm gonna follow that up with Warning. So I still wanted to use as much colors as possible. So I went in with the color Hazard, and I added that right in between Drill and Gloves On. And man, that's a really, really nice color. And so I'm just blending everything together. I'm like, okay, girl, this thing is looking pretty good. And so I'm just going in with a little bit of Proceed. I think that's a little bit of Proceed and Dead End in my inner tear duct. And of course, I'm going in with my Marc Jacobs black eyeliner. Love this thing. This is in the color Blacker. All right, so I am going in with the this is her blush. This is in the color Construct, and this actually works as a beautiful bronzer. I love this color. I've been reaching for it lately, and I've been wearing it in a lot of my looks. So I'm setting my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter, and then I'm going in with the lip set in Slow Down. So this is BFF4. You guys are gonna find out, I took it off at the end because it was just a little bit too dark. So I am going in with BFF4 and the lip color to match. I don't know what the name of the color is right now, for crying out loud, but I'll put that in the description below. And then I'm also going to top this lip off with her gloss, the second gloss that she came out with her birthday lip set.
Alright guys, here is the finished look. What do you think? I love it. At first I was getting a little scared because I wasn't sure how this look was going to translate on camera, but now that I popped my lashes on, it looks so pretty. I mean, ColorPop does an amazing job with their shadows anyways. I love them. I just love their products, but honey, we are serving looks today, honey. We are serving looks. What do you guys think? I love this look. I love like the inner tear duct highlight color that I popped right there in the eyes. It just draws the attention right there. And I have something on my contacts that it is annoying me. Got some makeup on my contacts, but yes, honey, my hair is popping. Makeup is giving all kind of life. It's a look today, honey. It's so a look. Can I get my Nicki and Beyonce? Honey. All right, so one thing though, the BFF4, it was a little bit too dark for me. So I took it off, and I didn't take it off. I went over it with this Tarte, I think this is Latte, just went over BFF4 just to lighten it up a little bit because it was just a little bit too dark. But yeah, this is the finished look. The eyes are giving me life. I love that I mixed most of the colors together. That's something that I don't normally do. But yeah, I mean, I'm just so proud of where the industry has gone. Like, technology is such an amazing thing. Social media has given the everyday person such a strong platform to stand on. And it's just so exciting to see, like, the everyday man and woman or girl and boy win. It's like, it's crazy. Who would have thought 10 years ago, which would have been 2009, that we would have come to a place like this where influencers are, you know, transforming their lives, like retiring their families, like, you know, just going into spaces that we never thought we'd get into just based off of coming on here, turning on a camera, and giving your honest opinion and feedback. That is crazy, the doors that have been open for so many of us. And I just salute all of the brands that have backed so many of us women of color in the beauty industry. So hats off to you guys. You guys are stepping your game up. Like BH Cosmetics, that Ray Ray palette was bomb. ColorPop, the Shayla palettes, those are colors, you guys, the indie brands, all of you guys, just hats off to you. Alright guys, so there you have it. The Proceed with Caution ColorPop x MakeupShayla collab. Loving it. I will always support everything Shayla does. I mean, she is just bait in my head. Alright, so guys, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you like this video. And leave a comment letting me know if you like this video. Alright guys, until I see you guys again, stay beautiful. Bye-bye.